15 healthy snack ideas for work or school. Whether you are looking for a quick and easy snack to munch on during the day, or you need something to keep you going through a long afternoon, these snacks are nutritious, delicious, and easy to make. So let's get started. 1. Trail mix. Trail mix is a great snack because it's portable, easy to make, and can be customized to your liking. Simply mix together your favorite nuts, seeds, and dried fruits, and you have a snack that's high in protein, fiber, and healthy fats. 2. Apple with almond butter. This is a classic snack that's both delicious and filling. Simply slice up an apple and spread some almond butter on top for a snack that's high in fiber, protein, and healthy fats. 3. Greek yogurt with berries. Greek yogurt is a great source of protein and calcium, and when you add some fresh berries to it, you get a delicious and nutritious snack that's perfect for any time of day. 4. Rice cakes with avocado and hummus. Rice cakes are a great low-calorie snack, and when you top them with avocado and hummus, you get a snack that's high in healthy fats and fiber. Plus, it's super easy to make. 5. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs are a great snack because they are high in protein and easy to take on the go. Simply boil some eggs ahead of time and pack them in a container for a quick and easy snack. 6. Veggie sticks with guacamole. Vegetables are a great source of vitamins and minerals, and when you pair them with guacamole, you get a snack that's high in healthy fats and fiber. Simply cut up some veggies like carrots, celery, and bell peppers and dip them in some homemade guacamole. 7. Roasted chickpeas. Roasted chickpeas are a great alternative to chips or popcorn. They are high in protein and fiber, and they are super easy to make. Simply roast some chickpeas with some olive oil and spices for a crunchy and satisfying snack. 8. Cottage cheese with pineapple. Cottage cheese is a great source of protein and calcium, and when you add some fresh pineapple to it, you get a snack that's both sweet and savory. Plus, it's super easy to make. 9. Popcorn. Popcorn is a great low-calorie snack that's perfect for work or school. Simply pop some popcorn and add some spices or nutritional yeast for a delicious and nutritious snack. 10. Energy balls. Energy balls are a great snack to have on hand when you need a quick burst of energy. They are easy to make and can be customized to your liking. Simply mix together some oats, nut butter, and honey, and roll them into balls for a snack that's high in protein and fiber. 11. Edamame. Edamame is a great source of plant-based protein and fiber, and it's easy to take on the go. Simply steam some edamame and season with a sprinkle of salt or your favorite spices for a satisfying snack. 12. Chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding is a great snack that's high in fiber and omega-3 fatty acids. Simply mix together some chia seeds, almond milk, and honey, and let it sit in the fridge for a few hours. Top with some fresh fruit or nuts for a delicious and nutritious snack. 13. Tuna salad with crackers. Tuna salad is a great source of protein, and when you pair it with some whole grain crackers, you get a snack that's both filling and delicious. Simply mix together some canned tuna with some Greek yogurt and diced vegetables for a healthy and satisfying snack. 14. Sliced turkey with cheese. Sliced turkey and cheese is a great snack that's high in protein and easy to take on the go. Simply roll up some sliced turkey with your favorite cheese for a quick and easy snack. 15. Smoothies. Smoothies are a great way to get in some extra nutrients throughout the day. Simply blend together some fruits, vegetables, and protein powder for a delicious and nutritious snack that will keep you full and energized. And there you have it. 15 healthy snack ideas that are perfect for work or school. Whether you are looking for something sweet or savory, these snacks are sure to keep you fueled and satisfied throughout the day. Let me know in the comments which one is your favorite. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you next time. And if you enjoyed this video, watch this one next.